everyone, greeting from Johnson. Now I would like to introduce this handheld stamping machine to you. We have three sizes. The largest one is 10 cm by 13 cm. This one is 8 cm by 10 cm, and the smallest one is 5 by 7. Now I'd like to show you how it works. First of all, we try the leather. This one I already put a stamp on it. For leather, temperature is 120 degrees. It works like this. For hot stamping, with colorful. It's like this. This one is handheld and attachable, it's small and good for use. Most of the clients choose it for stamping on wood. For stamping on wood, the temperature needs to be 350 degrees. To set the temperature, just press that so it's shining. Press up and down to increase and decrease. 300. So press that, it's done. The red color shows the machine temperature, and the green color is the temperature you need. Let's wait. When it reaches to 350, we test it on wood. After 2 minutes, the temperature is now reached. I would like to show it on wood. It's like this. For this one, it's with painting. It's not working with the wood with painting, so when you select the machine, make sure your material is the raw wood material like this, and it's work on. Like that. That's all. Thank you for watching.